Hello and welcome, all my friends. You know, there are some days you just feel like you want some comfort food, and that's what it felt like to me today. So I was thinking, what is it that would really feel good and warm and comforting? It's a cold, chilly day. It's kind of damp, and I thought, I know, I want clam chowder. It's a budget-friendly meal, it's easy, and it gives me this warm, comforty feeling with the creamy soup with the potatoes in it and that smoky bacon flavor. So I'm going to share my recipe with you today. Let's get started.
Let's start with cutting 4 slices of bacon into small pieces and cook it until it is browned. I like to make sure it gets nice and crispy. Then remove that bacon when it's crispy and set it aside for later. Oh, that smells good. Now wash and peel 3 potatoes. You're going to want to cut those potatoes into 1-inch cubes. And leave the potatoes in the water until you're ready to use them. Then you can drain the water when you get ready to add them to the pot. Next, prepare your onion. You will need a 1/2 cup of chopped onion. Now cook the onion until it's translucent. Now take 1 clove of garlic and smash it and chop it finely, and then add it to the pot, cooking it for 30 seconds. Now add 1/2 glass of dry wine, or chicken broth works also. Bring that to a boil to remove the alcohol and retain the flavor. Now add your chopped potatoes. Then drain the clam juice from 3 6.5-ounce cans of clams and save those clams for later. Add 3 sprigs of fresh thyme and then 2 bay leaves. And then add some salt and pepper to your preferred taste. Then bring this to a boil and reduce to simmer. Continue to simmer the chowder until the potatoes are soft. Now put 2 tablespoons of flour in a cup and add some of the 1/2 and 1/2, and then stir it very well until the flour dissolves. It does take a little longer in 1/2 and 1/2 than it would in water, but try and get it dissolved, and we're going to use this as a thickener in our chowder. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel. It is really helpful to me when you subscribe. Also, select the black bell so you will receive alerts telling you that I have released a new video. And I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, and I hope you're enjoying and trying some of the recipes. Now add the flour mixture to the chowder and stir it well. And continue to stir often as the chowder thickens. After about 5 minutes, we're going to want to add 1.5 cups of 1/2 and 1/2. Now keep your temperature to medium or medium-low so as not to boil the chowder at this point. We only want to see steam rising and very small bubbles on the edges. Anything more than this will cause your milk products to curdle. Now add the clams from the 3 cans. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir well. and continue to heat the chowder until it is warmed and steam is coming from the pot. Now it is time to try the chowder. Yum, that looks good. I like to add chopped parsley on top. Serve your chowder with oyster crackers. That creamy chowder smells really good. Let's eat.